Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on or off Circle to Search, and then I'll show you how to use it. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings, then go to display and scroll down until you find navigation bar. Then you can enable or disable Circle to Search. When it's enabled, it works both on swipe gestures and on buttons by pressing and holding either on the circle on buttons or on the navigation bar on the bottom if you have swipe gestures enabled, just in the center of the very bottom of the screen, in the middle. Now you can simply circle something. So let's maybe go somewhere more interesting. Let's go here. Now I can circle these flowers. And it will show me, and it will describe the image. It will show exact matches of this image, but it will also show visual matches of something that is similar. And that's how the thing works. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.